Hello everyone! Today we'll inform you about Oregon NCTS System. In this video, we'll explain how you can create a transit declaration by using our NCTS system. Log into the system from this page with your email address and the password that's given to you by Oregon. You can reach the video in which we explain the functions of the buttons you see on the home page from the upper right corner. On this page, you can access the declarations you have previously created. We have come to the first step of creating a transit declaration. Click on the NCTS Declarations button. Now, click the Create NCTS Declaration button. You need to fill in the required sections for creating a declaration on the page that you see on the screen. Let's examine these sections in detail. We start the declaration creation process by filling in the Customs Info section. In this section, we'll enter the information of the Customs Office that we will process. In order to be understandable, we'll proceed with examples in our video. As you can see, when we fill Departure Customs blank with the Dover Customs, the system automatically fills the Dispatch Country blank. Then you need to fill the Destination Customs blank. For example, our destination custom is Zuben. In this section, you can write the name of the customs, or you can only write the code of the customs. Even if you just enter the code, the system will find the name of the customs automatically. After filling in the destination country section, we move on to another part of creating a transit declaration. In this section, we will add vehicle and road information to the system. First of all, we choose the transit method. Make sure you always choose the road option. From here, select the road information to be followed by the transport manually. Then fill the transit customs blank. You can enter this information manually or select it automatically from the place that you see on the screen. If you wish, you can also select a route that has already been saved in the system. You can edit by deleting the countries here or adding a new one. We have come to another stage of declaration creating process. We'll enter general information in this section you see. In the carrier section, you can choose one of the carrier that previously added to the system. If the carrier company isn't already added to the system, you can edit from the Add New Record button in the lower right corner. On the page that appears on the screen, the blanks you need to fill in order to add a new carrier in the system are name, address, postcode, city, country. After filling in these blanks, please click the Save button. You need to fill in the trailer plate section you see on the screen. The system doesn't automatically give you an option here, so we'll click on the Add New Record button again. The blanks you need to fill in this section are plate code, vehicle class, owner company, and country. After filling in these blanks, please click the Save button. If you are adding the trailer plate information to the system for the first time, you have to fill in the trailer country section you see below. If you choose Edit information, the system will automatically fill in this section. After filling in these parts we mentioned, we move on to another part. If you have one consignor and one consignee, you can fill in this information from this section. If you want to add a consignor that is not already added in the system, please click the Add New Record button. In this section, it's enough to fill the following blanks: company name, address, postcode, city, and country. After filling these blanks, please click on the Save button you see on the screen. In the consignee part, we repeat the same process. You can automatically select a consignee from the system or add a new consignee. To add a new consignee, simply repeat the same steps. After filling in all this information, please click the Save button. You can see the general information of your transit declaration on this screen. Now, you need to add the information of goods you will carry from the Good Items section that you see at the bottom of the page. In this section, you can add goods information by clicking here or here. When you click one of the buttons, this page will appear. If you write the code of the goods that you are transporting in the HS code blank, the system will automatically fill in its description. It's also possible to edit the definition part as you wish. After adding the brute weight of the goods, we fill in the invoice amount and currency blanks. Then you need to add the export number to the export declaration blank. The export number should start like the number you see on the screen. After filling the pack count and pack type blanks, we come to the declaration document section. If you know your CMR number, write it here. If you don't know, simply write CMR in this blank. Fill this blank with your invoice number and date. After filling in this section, if you have another invoice you want to add, you can add it by clicking the Add Declaration Document button. First, add the document code 380, then add the new invoice number and the date that you want to add. After you fill in the blanks, click on the Save button at the bottom of the page. If you want to add other goods information, you can click the button you see on the screen. Or you can add another one from goods information you added before. Click on this button first, and then click on the Copy option. The Edit option you see here allows you to make changes to the good information. In this way, you create your transit declaration. Oregon is by your side at every stage of your transit declaration creation process. Did you know that you can communicate with us very quickly and get answers to your questions instantly while creating a declaration? All you have to do is write your question or problem in the box that appears on every page of NCTS System and send it to us. You can quickly contact us by clicking the button in the lower left corner. We are always here for you. Thanks for watching.